Yes,
Hello.
yes, right.
Okay. Uh, so today we are going to see civics, rural local government bodies. That day we have seen the first part of it. So today we are going to see the remaining part. Okay. Okay. So मुलं एंटर होतात आहेत का अजून?
So continue, teacher.
Okay. So today we are going to see local government bodies. So that day we have seen, can you remember what we have seen that day? Rural local government bodies. So मुलांना जरा unmute करा. Hello. Hello.
Madam, when you ask the question, that time I will unmute them.
Okay, okay, okay. So in local government bodies, there are two types. One you can see over here. So can you tell me what is the other part? What is the second part of local government bodies? We have seen ruler, second part.
Teacher, urban.
Urban. Yes, very good. Okay. And in rural local government bodies, there are three types. So we have started that day with rural local government bodies. Okay. So the first part we have seen. So can you tell me what is the first part in this? First part, what we have seen that day? What is the first part in rural local government bodies? First part.
First part
Yes.
is Gram Panchayat.
Very good. So
Then
we have seen
Sar Gram Panchayat. Then Gram Sabha. Then Jilla
okay.
Parishad.
Okay, so that day what we have seen in local government bodies was rural in rural part. So we have seen first part was Gram Panchayat. Okay, so first part was Gram Panchayat, and in Gram Panchayat there was Gram Sevak, Sarpanch. Do you remember that day we have seen Sarpanch, Gram Sevak. So this is a team in Gram Panchayat. Okay, so today we are going to see forward, that is okay, this is the urban part. Nagar urban we are going to see in next chapter. So next we are going to see is Panchayat Samiti. What we are going to see? Panchayat Samiti. And then we are going to see Jila Parishad. So today we are going to study about Panchayat Samiti and Jila Parishad. And urban, there are three types: Nagar Panchayat, Municipal Council, and Municipal Corporation. So this is for next term, second semester. So today we are going to see Panchayat Samiti and Jila Parishad. Okay. And before starting Panchayat Samiti and Jila Parishad, I want to ask you one question. In Gram Panchayat, how many meetings are important? Minimum how many meetings are important in Gram Panchayat?
पंचायत में से ग्राम मीटिंग 6 मिनट अलग रहेगा टीचर
ग्राम पंचायत
हाँ
6.
Ma'am, 6. Ma'am, 6 meetings.
ग्राम पंचायत.
ज्योति मैम आपका माइक बंद है. ज्योति मैम माइक बंद है आपका. ज्योति मैम आपका माइक बंद है.
ओके, अभी आवाज आ रहा है?
हाँ, यस.
Okay. So today we are going to see about Panchayat Samiti. So what is Panchayat Samiti? Okay, so Panchayat Samiti look after the functioning of developing block. अभी जो भी village होता है उसका development कैसे किया जाएगा? So that work is with Panchayat Samiti. Okay. Next point is it is a link between Jila Parishad and Gram Panchayat. So पंचायत समिति जो है वो जिला परिषद और ग्राम पंचायत के बीच में काम करती है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द मेन रोल ऑफ पंचायत समिति? पहला काम है कि इट फंक्शंस फॉर द डेवलपिंग ब्लॉक, मतलब जो भी विलेज है उसका डेवलपमेंट के लिए इट फंक्शंस. ओके, एंड सेकेंड थिंग, जिला परिषद और ग्राम पंचायत के बीच में इट इज द लिंक. सो जो भी कुछ काम रहेगा जिला परिषद एंड ग्राम पंचायत से, सो दे कोऑर्डिनेट विद पंचायत समिति. ओके, so next is the office barriers. The office barriers of Panchayat Samiti. Who is there in the office of the Panchayat Samiti? So, and what are the rules for the Panchayat Samiti? So, in this first point is elections are held every 5 years. Panchayat Samiti का जो भी elections होता है, it is held in every 5 years. हर 5 साल में election होता है. It is same like सरपंच का. Okay. Next thing is the chairman are elect members. अभी जो भी elected members होते हैं पंचायत समिति में, उसमें से ही they select chairman and deputy chairman. Same way in gram panchayat, sarpanch and deputy sarpanch. In gram panchayat it was sarpanch and deputy sarpanch, and in panchayat samiti it is chairman and deputy chairman. Okay. So next, it is a responsibility of chairman to call the meeting and conducting the business of the meeting. ये किसका काम है? Whose responsibility is this? It is a responsibility of chairman. Chairman का काम है कि सबका meeting लेना है, and whatever business is conducted, so they discuss in this panchayat samiti meeting. Okay. Next is in the absence of chairman. अगर चेयरमैन नहीं है समझो, सो व्हाट हैपेंस? डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन लुक आफ्टर द मीटिंग. चेयरमैन को अगर कुछ काम आया या फिर ही इज नॉट अवेलेबल, सो हु हैंडल्स ऑल हिज वर्क इज डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन. सेम वे इन ग्राम पंचायत, डेप्यूटी सरपंच हैंडल्स द वर्क. सी कंपैरिजन, ग्राम पंचायत में सरपंच एंड डेप्यूटी सरपंच, एंड इन पंचायत समिति इट इज चेयरमैन एंड डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन. इट इज सेम 5 years. Elections happens in every 5 years, और पंचायत समिति में भी election happens in 5 years. Okay, so you can go through these points. The chairman and deputy chairman are elected from the elected members. It is a responsibility of chairman to call the meeting and conducting the business of the meetings. In the absence of the chairman, deputy chairman look after the meetings. Okay. Okay, so you can go through this what are the functions of Panchayat Samiti. Panchayat Samiti, what development. Okay, so मीटिंग क्यों होता है पंचायत समिति का, क्यों, क्या मतलब समिति क्यों है. So see the points. Needs of the public: health, water supply, public hygiene, agriculture, education, industries, people's welfare. In functions of so these are the functions which Panchayat Samiti do. Okay, so what is the need of the public? लोगों का भी, लोग यहाँ पे विलेज में रहते हैं, सो रोड्स है, गटर्स है, वेल्स है, बोरवेल्स है. सो इसका डेवलपमेंट मतलब अगर कुछ खराब हो गया, कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन है, सो हु डज? पंचायत समिति. So this is a function of Panchayat Samiti in the village. Okay, so they look after all these things: roads, gutters, wells, bore wells. So next is health. Okay, so they also look for the vaccination. अभी बच्चों को वैक्सीनेशन देना होता है, सो हर एक गांव में हर बच्चे को प्रॉपर वैक्सीनेशन मिलना चाहिए. तो who gives this vaccination? Who plans for this? Panchayat Samiti plans for all these things. Okay, so next is water supply. गांव में अगर पानी है अच्छा नहीं आ रहा है, गंदा पानी आ रहा है, सो क्लीन, प्रोवाइडिंग क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. सो क्लीन वाटर आने के लिए, सो this is a function of Panchayat Samiti. Next is public hygiene. What is public hygiene? Cleanliness of roads, disposal of waste. अभी कचरा जमा होता है हर एक जगह पे. So who takes all this? Who functions all these things? Panchayat Samiti. So they plan for all these things, public hygiene and all. Next is agriculture. What is agriculture? Helping the farmers improve agriculture and livestock. So farmers को help करने के लिए, okay, उनका मतलब जो भी टेक्नोलॉजी चाहिए, so they help for all these things. So Panchayat Samiti is the one who helps farmers. Okay, स्टॉक मेंटेन करने के लिए, इम्प्रूव एग्रीकल्चरल क्वालिटी, और मतलब ज्यादा पीक आने के लिए और कम से कम टाइम में विद लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी. सो दे हेल्प विथ ऑल दिस थिंग्स. Next is education. What is education? So primary education is the role of Panchayat Samiti. So गांव में जितने भी बच्चे रहेंगे, so उनका education is the Panchayat Samiti. So they try to see that each and every child should get primary education. Okay, so next is industries. Promotion of handicrafts and cottage industries. अभी जो छोटे छोटे industries होते हैं, who looks after these handicrafts, all these things? So this is a function of Panchayat Samiti. So जो भी promotions होता है industries का, so this is a function of Panchayat Samiti. Last is people's welfare. Providing financial aid to the weaker section. अभी जिसको भी financial help चाहिए होता है, financial in the sense money wise, so जिसको भी financial help is important, so who look after this? Panchayat Samiti. So किसको कितना fund provide करना है, जो भी weaker section मतलब जिनके पास थोड़ा सा भी पैसा नहीं है, तो उनको help करने के लिए Panchayat Samiti plays a very important role. Okay, so all these functions is with Panchayat Samiti, and they coordinate with Gram Panchayat and Jila Parishad. Okay, so this was about Panchayat Samiti. So ये जो भी था वो Panchayat Samiti के बारे में था. Any doubts in Panchayat Samiti? Okay, I think no doubt. So we had seen first part Gram Panchayat, second part Panchayat Samiti. Now third we are going to see Jila Parishad. What is the role of Jila Parishad? So all these things we are going to see in Jila Parishad part. Okay. So in this, every district, देखो हर एक district में We have Jila Parishad. So this is Mumbai. अलग अलग प्लेस होते हैं, अलग अलग डिस्ट्रिक्ट होते हैं. सो एवरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैज अ जिला परिषद. अभी महाराष्ट्र में, सो वी आर लिविंग इन द स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. हम जो भी है सब महाराष्ट्र के अंदर रहते हैं. सो महाराष्ट्र में हाउ मेनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स आर देयर? देयर आर 36 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स, बट ओनली 34 जिला परिषद. ऐसा क्यों 36 डिस्ट्रिक्ट है और 34 जिला परिषद है? ऐसा क्यों है? कैन समबडी टेल मी? महाराष्ट्र के अंदर 36 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स है और 34 जिला परिषद है. ऐसा क्यों? Yes, everybody. थर्टी सिक्स डिस्ट्रिक्ट है तो 34 जिला परिषद होना चाहिए ना. पर 36 जिला परिषद होना
जिला
चाहिए.
परिषद
But
नहीं है
किधर नहीं है जिला परिषद?
मिस, वहाँ पे पॉल्यूशन है इसलिए. मिस, महाराष्ट्र थोड़ा बड़ा है और जिला पंचायत
क्यों?
यह है अलग से
हाँ
है.
बोलो, महाराष्ट्र बड़ा है और हाँ बोलो. यस, 36 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स है और 34 जिला परिषद है.
Thank you.
जाओ ना जल्दी.
मिस,
हाँ बोलो. यस, there are 36
Miss?
districts but only 34 जिला परिषद.
Miss,
बोलो.
मैं बोलूं? Miss, some districts मतलब some
बोलो ना.
districts
36 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स है and हाँ बोलो.
Miss, district do
हाँ
not
बोलो.
have rural population, therefore don't have Zilla Parishad.
Okay, see, you can see third point over here. Third point थोड़ा सा मन में read करके देखो and you will understand why there are 36. महाराष्ट्र, हम लोग महाराष्ट्र के अंदर है, ठीक है, और 36 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स है वहां पर. सो मुंबई इज वन ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट, मुंबई सिटी इज वन ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट, मुंबई सबर्बन इज वन ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट. ओके, और बहुत सारे ऐसे डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स है, ठीक है. सो थर्ड पॉइंट इज मुंबई सिटी डिस्ट्रिक्ट and Mumbai suburban district do not have rural population, therefore they don't have जिला परिषद. अभी मुंबई सिटी डिस्ट्रिक्ट और मुंबई सबर्बन, ये जो दो प्लेस है, ये दो जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, सो इसमें रूरल पॉपुलेशन नहीं है. दिस इज डोंट कॉल एज रूरल पॉपुलेशन, सो देयरफॉर दे डोंट हैव जिला परिषद. ठीक है, इसके लिए 36 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स है और 34 जिला परिषद है. ठीक है, सो ये दो जिला परिषद के अंदर नहीं आते हैं, सो दे डोंट हैव जिला परिषद, मुंबई सिटी एंड मुंबई सबर्बन डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स. ओके, सो योर होमवर्क, see in between I will give you activity task also, so you have to complete this after the session. So in this 36 districts, so you have to find out from Google all 36 districts. Okay, and you can send to your school group. Okay, so this is your activity task. You have to find out 36 districts and 34 Jila Parishad. So the two places which don't have Jila Parishad is Mumbai City District and Mumbai Suburban Districts. Rest all they have rest all districts they have Jila Parishad. Okay. So going to next slide. Okay. What is the office barriers of Jila Parishad? अभी इसमें office, how it works, how Jila Parishad works. Okay, so that we are going to see. So elections are held every 5 years. यहाँ पर भी इलेक्शंस कितने साल में होता है? 5 years में होता है. अभी कौन बताएगा ग्राम पंचायत में कितने साल में इलेक्शन होता है? In first topic we have seen, in first session we have seen gram panchayat. So can you tell me, yes, who will answer me? ग्राम पंचायत में कितने साल, हर कितने साल में मतलब इलेक्शंस होता है इन ग्राम पंचायत? Yes.
Miss,
Yes.
Yes.
every 5 years.
Every 5 years. Very good. So you remember my first session. Very nice. So next, now recently we have seen panchayat samitis. In rural government, local bodies, we have seen 3 parts. Gram panchayat, second panchayat samiti. In panchayat samiti, after how many years there is election? After how many years there is election in panchayat samiti? We have seen right now. So tell me. Yes? Okay, answer quickly. In panchayat samiti, after how many years there is election?
Every 5 years.
Every 5 years. Very good. So in panchayat samiti, gram panchayat, and in Jila Parishad, in all 3 rural government local bodies में, in all 3 parts there is elections which are held, that is every 5 years. Okay, so this you have to keep in mind. Don't forget all these things. Okay, so next point is Jila Parishad में who are the people? The elected who are the representatives? So the elected representative choose a president and a vice president among themselves. So Jila Parishad में who are the main 2 people? President and vice president. Okay, who are the 2 main people? President and vice president. So can you just go back and can you tell me in gram panchayat what are the 2 people? Who are the 2 people in gram panchayat? Same points, only people names are different. So who are the 2
Miss,
people in gram panchayat? Yes.
Sarpanch and Gram Sevak.
Okay, Sarpanch. Okay, in place of president and vice president. So Sarpanch and what is the second word? Not Gram Sevak. Gram Sevak is a government person. So Sarpanch and one more person from the elected representative. Yes, who will answer? Sarpanch and Sarpanch and okay. Yes.
Secretary.
Gram Sevak.
No.
Secretary.
Okay, Gram. Okay, Sarpanch and it is Deputy Sarpanch. Do you remember? Sarpanch and Deputy Sarpanch. And in Panchayat Samiti, right now we have seen Panchayat Samiti. Panchayat Samiti mein who are the 2 people? Yes, in Panchayat Samiti, who are the 2 people?
President and Vice President.
And Vice President. And Vice President.
Okay. Wait, I will show you. See here, who are the people in President is Jila Parishad. So right now what we are saying is Jila Parishad. So President and Vice President is in Jila Parishad. Okay. Panchayat Samiti में it is Chairman and Deputy Chairman. कौन है पंचायत समिति में? Chairman and Deputy Chairman. Okay. So again I am going to ask you at the end. So this you have to just keep in. ये forget नहीं करना है. Don't forget all these things. ग्राम पंचायत, जिला परिषद and पंचायत समिति. Okay. Okay, so what are the office barriers of जिला परिषद? So elections 5 years में होता है और इसमें who are the elected representative? Choose president and vice president. Okay, so जिला परिषद में president and vice president होते हैं and president look after the meeting and business conducted during जो भी meetings which are going through and business which is conducted in the meeting. पंचायत समिति में chairman look after करता है all these things and in ग्राम पंचायत सरपंच look after all these things and the परिषद. अभी जिला परिषद में जो भी फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शंस होता है, जो भी विलेज डेवलपमेंट के लिए, जो भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो भी प्लान्स होते हैं, उसका फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन का कंट्रोल जिला परिषद के हाथ में होता है. Okay, so Jila Parishad plays a very important role and it also has the authority to undertake appropriate expenditure from the Jila Parishad fund. जो भी important expenditure होता है, who look after all this in Jila Parishad. So they has the authority to look after all these expenditures. Okay, or in the absence of president, vice president carries out his all these duties. अगर president नहीं है, so for example he has some work or he is busy with something, so who look after all these things? Vice president carry out all these duties. In gram panchayat sarpanch है, sarpanch is busy, then deputy sarpanch look after all these things. In panchayat samiti chairman is the main person, और अगर chairman goes, then who look after all these things? Deputy chairman. और जिला परिषद में president है, president is busy, then vice president look after all these things. Okay, I think all these words are in your brain right now. Yes. So next we'll go forward. So you can go through all these points. Okay. Functions of Jila Parishad. What are the functions? What are the functions of Jila Parishad? Education facilities, health facilities, water supply, provision of seeds, electricity, tree plantation in the village. देखो हर बच्चों को education मिलना चाहिए. This is so Jila Parishad plays very important role. Okay, so providing free educations to girl child with less fees. Okay, so all this education facilities is being provided by the Jila Parishad. Second thing is health facilities, same vaccination. जैसे पंचायत समिति इसमें involved है, वैसे all this expenditure is done by Jila Parishad. So they also look after all these things. So health facility is with Jila Parishad. So बच्चों को हर एक बच्चों को vaccination मिलना चाहिए. Okay, so proper age में proper जैसे बच्चा born होता है वैसे उसका vaccinations चालू होते हैं. So हर बच्चों को वो vaccinations properly मिलना चाहिए. Next is water supply. अभी हर एक district, हर एक गांव में water supply बराबर है कि नहीं? So this is the duty of Jila Parishad. Okay. Next is provision of seeds. Farmers को seed मिलना चाहिए for agricultural things. Okay. So all this provision of seed is being done by the Jila Parishad. So next is electricity. अभी गांव में बिजली है कि नहीं, बिजली नहीं है, so they took developmental meetings. So in developmental meetings, so they provide all these things. So electricity नहीं है, पानी supply नहीं है, तो कैसे provide करना है? So by taking meetings, so they provide all these things. Okay. Next is tree plantation in village. Tree plantation important है क्या? Can you answer me? Is it tree plantation important? Why this point is taken in functions of Jila Parishad? Tree plantation. Is it important, children? Yes. Tree plantation important है?
Yes, this is very important.
Why? Why it is very important? Why it is important? Why tree plantation is important?
For populations.
For population.
Miss,
We need oxygen.
plantation is important for our oxygen. Without tree, we can't get oxygen.
Okay. See,
So it
in-
have given tree
very
plantation.
good. Okay, can you tell me your name, please?
Pankhani.
Pankani. Okay. Okay. See, in tree plantation, why tree plantation is important? So we get oxygen from it. Why oxygen is important? Yes. Why oxygen is important? Is it important for us, oxygen?
Yes, Miss, it is important
Because
for
without
our
oxygen we can't
life.
live.
Live. Okay. So without oxygen we cannot live. So see, in today's population, all pollution is there. So because of pollution, there is much more carbon dioxide. Okay. So trees, what trees do? What is the role of tree? So they take in all carbon dioxide. Okay, and they gives oxygen. Right. So that's why tree plantation is important, and oxygen is very important for us. Okay, and in today's whatever things are going on, so oxygen is very important. Yes. So fresh air is very important. So therefore, how much tree plantation we do is great. So I hope everybody will plant a tree. Yes, near your homes or in, yes. So small plants also Vikram Parishad. Okay. So next, Chief Executive Officer. What is the next point? Chief Executive Officer. So this is under Jila Parishad. The decisions taken by Jila Parishad are implemented by Chief Executive Officer of Jila Parishad. So जो भी decisions होता है जिला परिषद में, so who is the main responsible person is Chief Executive Officer. CEO. Okay, so CEO is very important person. So because of him or her, all the decisions are being taken of Jila Parishad. Okay, and who appoints Chief Executive Officer, CEO? Who appoints him or her? State government. He is appointed by the state government. Who appoints CEO? State government. Okay. So decisions taken by Jila Parishad are implemented by Chief Executive Officer of the Jila Parishad, and he is appointed by the state government. Okay. So next point is, you can go through this. Okay. अभी जो भी हम लोग ने पढ़ा है अभी तक, so it is a reflection of that पंचायती राज सिस्टम. जो भी पंचायती राज इंस्टीट्यूशन या सिस्टम है, सो देखो जिला परिषद है, पंचायत समिति है, ग्राम पंचायत है, ये तीनों पॉइंट्स इट कम्स अंडर रूरल लोकल गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज. ओके. सो जिला परिषद में अभी रिसेंटली वी हैव सीन जिला परिषद. ओके. सो जिला परिषद में कौन है? प्रेसिडेंट मेन पर्सन है. ओके. इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स में प्रेसिडेंट है, और गवर्नमेंट से अपॉइंटेड पर्सन इज चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर. राइट नाउ वी हैव सीन previous slide, Chief Executive Officer, CEO. Okay. Next, before that we have seen Panchayat Samiti. Panchayat Samiti में who is the main person? Chairman. और गवर्नमेंट से जो अपॉइंट किया है इट इज ब्लॉक डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर. हाँ, जैसे जिला परिषद में चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव है, वैसे पंचायत समिति में इट इज ब्लॉक डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर. और ग्राम पंचायत एंड गवर्नमेंट अपॉइंटेड ग्राम सेवक, somebody was telling ग्राम सेवक, so that is government appointed person. परिषद में प्रेसिडेंट, अगर प्रेसिडेंट नहीं है तो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट लुक आफ्टर ऑल दिस थिंग्स. पंचायत समिति में चेयरमैन इज नॉट अवेलेबल, देन डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन लुक आफ्टर ऑल दिस थिंग्स. इन ग्राम पंचायत सरपंच is not available, then deputy sarpanch will look after all this thing. Okay. And what are the people who are appointed by the government in Jila Parishad is Chief Executive Officer. Panchayat Samiti, it is Block Development Officer. Gram Panchayat, it is Gram Sevak. Okay, so I think all these points are clear in your mind. Yes, children. Okay, I will ask question on this. So we'll go to next slide is local government bodies, rural. So rural local government bodies, ग्राम पंचायत, पंचायत समिति, जिला परिषद. टोटल मेंबरशिप कितने मेंबर्स होते हैं? हम वी हैव सीन सरपंच, डेप्यूटी सरपंच, चेयरमैन, डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन, प्रेसिडेंट, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट. इसके अलावा भी और मेंबर्स होते हैं. सो मिनिमम हाउ मेनी मेंबर्स इन ईच गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज एंड मैक्सिमम हाउ मेनी मेंबर्स दैट वी विल सी. सो टोटल मेंबरशिप ग्राम पंचायत में इट इज मिनिमम 7 and maximum 17. In Panchayat Samiti, it is minimum 15 and maximum 45. In Jila Parishad, it is minimum 50 and maximum 75. Okay. So these numbers you can just keep it in your mind is Gram Panchayat minimum 7, 17. 7, 17. Easy to remember, 7 and 17 Gram Panchayat. Second Gram Samiti, Panchayat Samiti is 15, 45. 15 ka table you can keep in mind. 15 1 is 15, 15 3 is 45. So like this you can keep these numbers in your mind. Okay. Jila Parishad 50, 75. So table of 75 you can see. And Gram Panchayat, in Gram Panchayat 7, 17. So it is increased by 10. So this way you can keep all these numbers in your mind. So whenever anybody asks you this question, how many minimum people in Gram Panchayat is 7. So maximum. So you should reflect. You have to say, okay. It should just click in your mind. 7 and 17. So minimum 7, maximum 17. And Panchayat Samiti minimum 15, maximum 45. 15 table. Jila Parishad 25 table. 50 and 75. Okay. So this way you can just keep all these points in your mind. Next is office barriers. Office barriers में कौन-कौन है main people? जो भी village, जो भी local bodies, जो भी village से nominated होते हैं, that is सरपंच and deputy सरपंच in ग्राम पंचायत. पंचायत समिति में चेयरमैन एंड डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन. जिला परिषद में प्रेसिडेंट एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट. और ऑफिसर्स बाय द गवर्नमेंट से हु इज अपॉइंटेड इन ग्राम पंचायत, ग्राम सेवक. पंचायत समिति में ब्लॉक डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर. जिला परिषद में चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर. ओके, आई थिंक दैट्स all these things, all these points are very important. All these terms are very important for this lesson. So whoever asks you local government, rural local government bodies, तो 3 points हमेशा याद में दिमाग में आने चाहिए. That is ग्राम पंचायत, पंचायत समिति, जिला परिषद. And after this total membership कितना है? Office barriers. Who are the office barriers? Sarpanch, deputy sarpanch, chairman, deputy chairman, president, vice president, and officers appointed by government. Gram Sevak, block development officer, chief executive officers. Going to next. Okay, so assignment for this. Okay, so assignment is you have to click this link. So whatever chapter we have seen, so there is a quiz. So you have to solve at home. So you have to go through this link. Okay. You have to go through this link, https://app.quizalize.com. So इसमें जाना है local rural local self government में. In that you will find a quiz. So you have to solve that quiz. Okay. You will get 4 options. You have to select from it, and you will be able to know what are the correct answers or incorrect answers. Okay. And if your friends have not go through today, they have not joined, so you can send them this YouTube link so they can watch it afterwards. Okay. Thank you, students.